Hello, my name is Lindsay and I am the creator and owner of the online swim school. Firstly, I would like to welcome you to the online swim school and give you a brief overview of the course you are about to begin. The course you have signed up for is a 10-lesson course designed for your baby aged 6 to 12 months. And the way it works is for each lesson you will watch tutorial videos on how to perform a skill. The videos are short and clear to make it easy for you to memorise when taking your baby to the pool. There are also print-off sheets with cues to help you remember the skills, along with pictures to help guide you. After the skills have been completed and you're back home with your hopefully sleepy baby from all that swimming, you can log back into your online swim school account and tick the skills completed for each lesson. The online swim school covers everything, from when to feed baby, pre and post swimming, what to wear, and even how to enter the pool safely and more. At the end of each lesson, you have the option to write down how you think the lesson went, and if you have any questions, you can message me anytime and I will reply as soon as I can. Have the best time and enjoy these special moments with your baby and relax because you don't have to rush for that set swimming lesson time. I am so excited to be a part of your baby's swimming journey and can't wait to see those gorgeous swimming photos. Please don't forget to share your pictures with us at the online swim school. I really hope you enjoy the course I have set out for you and may you feel happy and confident to swim your baby by the time the course is completed.